I am Dr. Evanita, Faculty in Management Studies. I'm before you with the lockdown series. You may thinking about what this lockdown series is. At the end of my video, you can come to know what this series says about. My lockdown series is addressing the faculty community. As a teachers, our work life started in the event semester and it is going rigorously of classroom teaching during March month. Sudden announcement of unexpected holidays. With the announcement, which is accompanied by a ambiguous directions to the teachers to continue to be available for the duties as per the timetable through sources. There were the crucial last weeks of teaching before the end semester examinations and also the second part of internal assessment which was due. Now, during this particular situation, every faculty will have a question in their mind whether my skills in the form of IT, skills in the form of information technology, skills which is going to address all these timetables through e-resources can be fulfilled or not. My answer is, as a faculty, will say yes, because this COVID-19 lockdown has been a misfortune, but it is providing positive outcomes for faculty. The fear of poor quality online teaching and the hesitation on the part of faculty members to use online portals have now completely disappeared by using these online platforms. In these days, collaborative learning becomes more important to IT online platforms, facilitate using of brains, and creating an environment that promotes learning also. This digital learning has greatly facilitated aspect of knowledge acquisition. But this lockdown has come as a blessing in disguise for the faculty in present scenario. Online teaching and learning are becoming realistic shows for the teachers, and the online pedagogy for the teachers focusing on quality of teachers. I think the answers are through online classes, faculty development programs, online quizzes, and so on. To focus on this quality of teachers, many teachers are facing to maintain this quality by doing all these things. During this maintenance of quality by the teachers, you may come across with few hitches to ensure online platforms, that is creating, uploading, joining, etc. This is creating of videos in the form of tutorials, uploading of videos to the student community, joining in the webinars, hosting the webinars. These are all the problems which we never come across during the regular time. This hitches led me to go with the strategies of this lockdown series. You may be thinking about what this lockdown series is connected with the hitches? Answer is this lockdown series will make you to maintain the decorum and also virtue of the teaching learning environment with each key series, the form of videos I'm going to upload, which is the secrets as a faculty I want to reveal to you. Key series is nothing but pop up this IT online platforms. I'm going to upload the videos related to how to create the forms in Google, how to get the score from the Google, how to give a certificate to Google, how to design the slides in Google in different forms, how to record or create the video in the form of screen recording, how to go with live shows, how to go with Google Classrooms, to use the video meeting apps like Zoom, how to upload the videos in YouTube. These are all the secret keys which I am going to reveal you in the form of basic inputs, make you to understand, to enhance yourself with my videos. If you want to know the secrets, join with me and subscribe to my channel and get the notification by clicking the bell button. Soon I will come back to you with the series. Thank you for watching my video.